What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the pit bike. Starting off, let's go ahead and crank it up. I've been out riding already, still in sandals, so don't say nothing in the comments. If you're gonna comment something down below, say I love your videos, High Gear. Your videos are awesome. Keep up the good work. Some positive stuff, you know. Tired of seeing all this mean, negative stuff in the comments. Show some love. Make me want to do videos more. So, yeah, enough of that positive quoting, saying, talking, whatever I'm doing. She's in gear. Oh yeah. Gotta get her up the hill first, then she goes. Stop sign. Where should we go? Oh, there's cars coming. They're like, what is this dude doing? Turn around, turn around. Cars coming, cars coming. Turn, 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 turn. Tell me how you like the angle, guys. I'm using a chest mount. I'm using a head mount for the GoPro. I ain't wearing a helmet because I'm on a pit bike. And I ain't going over 15 miles an hour, so I ain't got to worry about, you know, hurting myself or anything. We're going to the end of the road, though, on the little pit bike. They're all looking at me. I mean, guys, look, that's a downhill all the way. And some of you guys were saying in the comments it bogs down because I'm too big for it. Yes, I am too big for this little bike, but I mean, it's going, it don't bog down. I was telling you that that was just because the air filter got wet yesterday when I was making that video, and it wasn't running right because the air filter was wet. I mean, but now she's pretty good. She carries me probably about 20 miles an hour, 15, 20 at the max. But it's time to do some burnouts. Turn her around this way. Pit bike burnout. My sandal, slider, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I saw some girls out there playing soccer, sprinkling down rain. Let's pick up some girls. Pick up some girls on the old pit bike. I just thought of a brilliant idea. Since I've been burning out these tires a lot and it don't smoke enough, why don't I light the tires on fire, pour some gas on the road maybe, light it up, and sit there doing a burnout in flames. Pit bike burnout in flames. That's a brilliant idea. Too good of an idea. I'm going to do it. got the little gas, got a little starting, little piece of paper, lighter, and the PitBike. So let's do what I thought was a good idea. Pour the gas. Okay, we got that going. Yeah, come on. Oh yeah, even more gas. Gotta start the bike up. Oh yeah. Going to the store to get some gas, guys. You know, I'm the gas man. I always run out of gas on everything, and I always need gas, and got some other stuff to do. So I'll get back to you when I get back to the house. You'll probably see some more stuff after this clip right here, if there's anything worth me showing on the video. But if there's not, I'll catch you back at my house. Alright guys, we made it back, and it's pouring down rain like freaking always, and I'm in sliders and crap and bull crap and everything. But it's got this gas. Let's take it down here and fill them up already. Have them good and ready. Good and ready, good and juiced up, good and gassed up, good and not thirsty no more. Ready to rip when it stops raining. Rip potato chip, that's what we're gonna do. Poked a little ventilation hole the other day in the top of the gas jug, and I'm telling you, it makes it flow a whole lot better. I don't know why when they make the gas jugs they don't ventilate it, but it sure does spray out everywhere. But I don't know why they don't ventilate it so it actually fills up way better and faster. But who knows? Go ahead and fill this up though. See, it's coming out the ventilation hole because this damn box too small. Filled up after spilling half the gallon out trying to do it, and I mixed the oil a little bit different this time because it ain't been smoking as much as I want it to smoke, because I like it smoking, and it's good when your box smokes, and my box don't smoke too much. So see if it changes how I mix the fuel or the oil. Oh yeah. Go ahead and fill this baby up too with the rest of the gas. Got the little PitBike filled up. We'll fill this up. Probably have to call it a video. It's raining. Sky don't look like it's gonna clear out anytime soon. Don't really know how long this video is, but at least I got a video for tomorrow. The video that you're watching right now, I made yesterday, and the video that you're gonna watch tomorrow would be today's video. But guys, if you like this YZ125 and you're new to the channel, and this little JR50, if you like these bikes and you want more of them, subscribe to the channel, guys. Turn on those notifications so you're updated when I post. I post on a regular, daily basis. I post daily. And yeah, so you guys should enjoy that. Subscribe if you ain't, and I'll catch you on the next rap-tastic video. I'm not stealing nothing from 3D Machines, I promise.